old job. You know, Mr. Mo Pressure. We ain't been in any videos and filming in a while. Just want to let y'all know I'm still out here doing my damn thing. Let's say it like that. I'm still out here doing the damn thing. But you know, I just hit the mailbox up to try to knock off some of that stuff that's on there. But other than that, we are complete with this job. I am just going to look at a few more spots. And other than that, we'll be done, y'all. So hey, it's always good. The Lord bless me with work. Continues to bless me with work. Bless you with it as well too, as long as you follow His will and His word. Jesus, Lord Christ will take care of y'all. But you know, the secret to everything is to fear God and keep His commandments. It's the whole duty of man. The whole duty of man. That means that's the secret of life. If it's the whole duty, hey, that's the secret, baby. Fear God, His commandments. It's the beginning of understanding and wisdom. Fear the Lord. Trust me. It's true. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna get up out of here. Finish with this job. Gonna clean up and get up out of here. So yeah, good to see you guys. Mr. Mo Pressure Effect. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Everything that you can do it live. Right now, press that button. I don't know where it's set on the screen, but press it. Press it. Press it. Yo, and we out this. Peace.